Guys, we got the profit here. This is what it means to stick to a strategy and trade by the system, not by luck. Guys, this is my approach. Wait for the right setup and take the profit from the broker. Hey traders, today I'm going to show you how to use Parabolic SAR Indicator to catch real opportunities in the market. I'm starting today with $145 on my deposit, and my goal for today to make $5,000 or maybe even $6,000 on my deposit. I'll be opening deals for 1 or 2 minutes, and also I'm going to use 15 seconds Japanese candlesticks to analyze the market with precision. Guys, this is not gambling, this is calculated trading. Watch until then to see how everything will play out for me. And also guys, the most important thing, that after this video you will learn how to trade with Parabolic SAR Indicator. So start making profits like a pro and let's get started. So guys, now let's connect the indicator we need. To do this, I click on the Tools tab at the bottom of the screen on the left and select the Parabolic SAR Indicator we need. I make the points of the parabolic a little bigger for a better display, and as you can see, the indicator appeared on our screen. It is represented by green dots that are located below or above the chart. When the indicator points appear under the chart, the price usually starts moving up. Guys, in such situation, I could open a deal up. Vice versa, when the indicator points appear above the chart, the price begins to move down. So, guess. Here I could open a deal down, guys. Also, if I look at this trading situation like here, when the indicator points often change their direction, we will see that in such situation the indicator is not informative. That is, it is difficult to choose a good entry point, guys, since the price moves indistinctly, and the indicator points appear above and below the chart. So that is why we will try to avoid such situations and look for more obvious price movements and more obvious indicator signals. So guys, these are the main points that we will need today in our trading session, and let's finally start. Okay guys, here the price is moving in an uptrend and green candles appear on the chart. At the same time, as you can see, we have parabolic point under the chart, so we will open a deal for a minute to go up. Guys, I think that the price will continue to move up since the indicator made it clear that the price has a good potential for growth. The main price lows on the chart are also getting higher, or I think 1 minute will be totally enough in this situation. Right now an impulsive green candle is already forming on our chart, so let's see how this deal will close. Okay, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price moving according to our scenario and is showing good growth. Does this transaction brought us steady profit, guys? That's a good start, I think. And as you can see, the indicator helped us to find the first entry point. So guys, I think it's time to continue our trading session. So guys, as you can see here, the price is moving in an uptrend and the indicator point appears below the chart. Therefore, we will open a deal to go up because, guys, there's still enough space left before the previous price high. And we see that the price has slowed down its decline. The main price lows are also rising noticeably. So all these points indicate that the price has a good potential to increase. And so let's wait for the end of our deal, guys. 40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that. So guys, that's amazing. As you can see, the price is showing growth and our deal is closing above the entry point. Guys, this is how we got the profit here, and I suggest that we continue our trading session and we'll find another situation on the market. Alright, as you can see here, the price is moving in a downtrend and the indicator points appear above the chart, so we will open a deal to go down. Since we also see a large number of red candles on the chart, at the same time, as you can see, the main price highs on the chart are getting lower and there's still enough space left to reach the minimum point on the chart. All these points make it clear to us that the price has a good potential for decline, and I think that 1 minute in this situation will be quite enough for us. And so let's wait for them to file a deal, guys. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Well, that's pretty good. As you can see, the price has made downward momentum, and thus this deal brought us profit, guys. Well, the indicator was right again because it helped us to find entry point, and I think that we have to continue. All right, my dear traders, here we have a downtrend and the indicator points appear above the chart. So we will open a deal to go down because the prices also are starting to move down and the main price highs on the chart are getting lower. There's also a support level below the price, and the price has already touched this level before, and after bouncing up from this level, the price began to approach it again, and it's more likely that the price will try to break through again in the near future. So let's see how this deal will close, guys. So that's not bad, guys. As you can see, the price showed a decrease and this deal closed below our entry point. Thus, we have the first $1,000 on deposit, and as you can see, our deposit has already increased almost more than 10 times. Guys, this is a great result, and as you can see, we managed to find good entry points using this indicator. So let's continue. All right. Here we have an upward movement and the points appear under the chart. Therefore, we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go up because I think that the price will move up. Also, as you can see, the main price lows on the chart are rising, and also recently the price has been moving up more impulsively. And we still have enough space left before the maximum point on the chart. That is, all these points indicate that the price has a good potential for growth. I think that in this case, 2 minutes will be quite enough. And let's just watch the chart and see how this deal will close. So that's great, my dear traders. As you can see, the price moving according to our scenario and is showing good growth. Thus, this transaction brought us steady profit, and also 2 minutes in this situation was totally enough for us. At the same time, the indicator didn't let us down and suggest us a good entry point. So guys, let's continue our trading session. Okay, next, the price shows growth again, and the indicator point appears under the chart. So we will open a deal up. As you can see, guys, the main uptrend persists, and there are resistance zones above the price, where the price has already arrived several times before. That is, we have a tightening of this zone, and I think that in the near future the price will break through it and go even higher. So let's wait for them to file a deal. So guys, as you can see, our price rebounded towards the resistance level and showed an impulsive decline. Thus, our position sadly was knocked out. That is, this deal turned out to be unprofitable, guys. But I think it's okay because we still have some funds on the deposit. And guys, also, as you can see, mostly all the deals were profitable. So we still have chance to continue our trading session, and we will try to increase our profit even more. So guys, let's continue. All right, here we have a good and confident uptrend, and the indicator points appear under the chart. Therefore, we are opening a deal to go up, as I think that the price will show an increase, because we also see that the main price lows on the chart are getting higher, and all these points indicate that the price has a good potential for growth. I think that 2 minutes will be quite enough for such movement, and as you can see guys, our price is already going above our entry point, so let's wait for the result. Guys, we got the profit here. This is what it means to stick to a strategy and trade by the system, not by luck. Guys, this is my approach. Wait for the right setup and take the profit from the broker. Guys, let's continue. Okay guys, as you can see, we have support level here and the price has bounced up from this level. Also now we have a green impulsive candle forming on the chart and a parabolic dot appears under the chart. So we will open a deal to go up. As you can see, the main price lows are noticeably rising and the price moving up more impulsively and mainly with green candles. Okay, therefore I think that it is more likely that the price will continue to move up in the near future following the emerging uptrend, and let's just wait for the end of our deal, guys. So that's pretty good. As you can see, the price entered the consolidation zone, but then it went up and our deal closed above our entry point. Guys, I was able to earn money here. Thus we already have $3,500 on deposit, and as you can see, we are confidently approaching our trading goal today. I think one more deal, guys, will be enough for us, so give me some time, I'll find a situation and we will continue. Alright guys, our last deal, we have a good confident upward movement here, and at the moment the price is pulling back down. At the same time, the parabolic point appears below the chart, so we will open a deal to go up as we think that the price will show an increase. As you can see, the main price lows on the chart are rising and the price has already shown good growth earlier. That is, we understand that the price has the potential to increase. Let's see how this deal will close. So guys, as you can see, the price showing good growth and this deal brought us a steady profit. Thus, we already have more than $6,000 on my deposit. With that, I suggest we end our trading session. Alright traders, in this video we crushed it trading with Parabolic SAR Indicator, backed by solid technical analysis. We tracked trends, watched support and resistance levels, studied candlesticks patterns, and as you can see, the results speak for themselves. Because this strategy works only if you know what you are doing. For the new traders out there, I invite you to join my closed community. This is community with passionate traders, and also I'm sharing my insights there, and plus I share trading signals with you guys. Also, I hope you enjoyed this trading session and you put big thumbs up to this video, and of course subscribe to this channel. Guys, let me know down below in the comment section which indicator you want me to use next. Guys, I wish you to have successful trading sessions on your own, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.